What's going on, YouTube? We're just waiting for a few more people to get a chance to join us in the live stream. Shout out to all the early COGs out there. Give me one moment, guys. Hold on 1 second. Bear with me. Your channel is muted. Shout out to Black Lung. In a live stream. Yes, we are, guys. We are in a live stream. What we're looking at here is Smile Direct. Smile Direct did see some nice movement so far. Let's look at the market as a whole. The market did somewhat recover from earlier this morning. The market did take a huge nose dive, and that has been the case for the last couple of days of trading. As you can see here, once again, more decliners than advancers on today's trading. If we take a brief look and check out BBIG, BBIG did see some buying pressure right away here during the trading day. As you can see here, pushing up nicely in price, but that did slightly cool down here. Currently under the VWAP, it seems as though that BBIG will be closing under that $3.11. Shout out to my boy Just No Bones. Dr. Towns. Shout out to Dr. Towns 4. He says, "Sup, bro? Love the knowledge you bring." My boy Eddie's in the building. Dr. Henry, do not miss a beat, guys. Tend to make all the videos, and he does tend to drop a comment, and that it really does help the channel grow. So all you Making Easy Money family members out there, if you are listening, all we do is ask for a thumbs up and just comment on the videos. It really does help the channel grow. We currently got 51 people watching, and we only got 29 thumbs up. So smash that like button on your way in, guys. BBIG looks like it's going to close on the VWAP like we were saying. Let's look at SBEV, guys. SBEV has been doing quite well these last 3 days of trading. If we take a brief look here at the one-day chart, as you can see here, right around the time when a lot of stocks were getting slammed, these 2 days were just nice profit taking being done, guys, somewhat following suit of the market. But the last 3 days of trading, SBEV have been thriving. If we take a brief look and check out the volume that came in here on today's trading, it was much under its average being 4.11 million, with 1.64 million coming in so far. Now, if we take a brief look and check out the order flow distribution, as you can see here, we did receive more selling on the large scale, but massive buying on that small in comparison to the outflow. We know, so that lets us know that the retail investor does have a huge interest in SBEV. Now, if you are in SBEV, guys, please let me know in the live chat. Everybody out there, What's up with OCGN? You're the first YouTuber I've turned on notifications for. Shout out to my guy Podolsky. Did I say it right, man? Shout out to you. I really do appreciate that. I do tend to try to work hard, guys. Thank you for the live. Anytime, my boy Benny the Bull out there. He's always in the comment section as well. My guy Dustin Nuts. Huh. All right. Look up HP oil stock moving good. Okay, we're gonna take a look at that too here. Can you please check out CZOO for me? Shout out to BG. We're gonna take a look at CZOO. All right, guys. But yeah, SBEV has been doing pretty well. I do believe that SBEV do have to actually pass that $5.12 to actually be on its next leg up. And if it can continue to see slight gains for the next 2 days of trading, I'm more than 100% sure that this thing is going to see some large scale orders rolling in the rest of the week. We currently got 8 minutes left here during the trading day. And if you're new to the live stream, guys, if you're just now getting into the live stream, smash that like button. We currently got 62 people watching and we only have 39 likes so far. Come on, Easy Money family. I know we're stronger than that. Greetings from the sunny and beautiful Phoenix. Yes, sir. My boy Alexander over there in Phoenix, man. What up, Obi? Can you check out GME? We'll check out GME, Snoop. We'll check out GME, huh? Can GME close under $100 today? That will be very, very interesting. Looking at the volume so far, it is above the average. That is a very great sign. GME hits its high for midday. Midday, we did see a bottom and a slight recovery. Does look like it will close above the $99.10. But far as closing above 100, that isn't set in stone just yet. PIXY rolling down. Let's check that out really quickly. PIXY is looking like it is getting a beating from hitting that peak. Like I was telling you guys, we want to get this thing under $1.55, and that opportunity is getting close. Like I told you guys before, this is our fourth pick in the 1K to 100K challenge. And like I was telling you guys, that we really want 15% or more each trade, because that will get you 100K in 15 trades or less. But anything over that is just a head start. So with that being said, guys, if you did chop off with your 15%, even though it did offer a little bit more since I alerted this play, let me know in the live chat here. Did you run off with your PIXY gains on today's trade? And I do believe that we will be passing that today's high here this week here in PIXY. It is some money left here on the table for those that didn't get a chance to actually walk away with some gains today and actually got in late above the $1.80 range. Potatoes, bro. I seen a video of a guy that cut his arm off, caught his arm up for AMC. This is crazy. That is nuts. That is nuts. Okay, let's take a brief look at AMC. AMC looks as though it may close under $16. Currently sitting at $16.01. The volume that rolled in here in AMC is under its average. And like I was telling you guys, AMC wants, in order for AMC to actually have a very great day, it is more than likely on a day that sees huge volume, much over its average. And we're currently looking like we're going to close the trading day under its average volume. Let's take a brief look at SOPA. SOPA did see a nice surge here on today's trading, hitting at $6.11 on $6.11. As you can see here, $5.40 so currently here. Volume today was very, very low to see a surge like this in a down market. As you can see, guys, we do see, and let's see here. We do see thoughts on CEN. SDC might close nice. Let's take a look at SDC really quickly because we did look at that. SDC is up over 24%. Very, very, it's looking like it might close at a key, guys. As you can see here, we do see some flat trading. Let's see how this thing break out towards the end. Volume was nice and heavy. Order flow distribution so far towards the end of the day, we did receive more selling on that large scale, but much more buying on the small. SDC does have a high retail investor interest. Dr. Towns want us to talk about CEN. Let's look at CEN. CEN, we got to check out this day chart really quickly. CEN has been getting beat down. This downtrend has been occurring before the market meltdown. Currently, yesterday was that 52-week low hit, just like a lot of other stocks here, guys. A lot of other stocks did see its recent low on yesterday's trading. A lot of plays that didn't recover yesterday did recover somewhat here today, and especially yesterday. But CEN does look as though that this thing can see a lower low of that $1.90 level, especially if the market continues to tumble down. This is a company that is following suit with no catalyst. If a company doesn't have any major catalysts going on right now, guys, it is very concerning because they are sliding down in price. If we take a brief look and check out Progenity really quickly, PROG did see some nice buying pressure, as you can see here, after bottoming out yesterday. That wasn't the 52-week low, but that was the recent low set here, just like a lot of other stocks. And like I was telling you guys here in yesterday's video, that I hope you are taking advantage of these plays that you are long in, guys, because we went over the chart and we did see how a lot of companies were just following suit with the market. So taking advantage of that is being a savvy investor. So far, as you can see here, Progenity is much under its average volume. Turnover rate being under 20% at the close at a day like this does look good, especially after you just hit a low yesterday, a recent low from a downtrend, huge downtrend. Especially recent high before that though was this $2.39, and it has been on a downtrend since then, coming down to that $1.11. Far as Progenity, I do believe that Progenity does have a chance to continue to roll if the market turns around. I do believe that that is going to be a nice spark for Progenity, but tomorrow is going to be a big day. A lot of these stocks do see a nice run up one day and then it follows suit with the market the next. A lot of these stocks are giving out great buying opportunities for nice day trades. Just like I was telling you guys yesterday, grabbing RETO in the 70-cent range was huge. PIXY was a great buying opportunity yesterday under the $1.55 range. We did see that opportunity as well for a quick swing in today's trade. If we take a brief look at RETO did see somewhat of a solid day. The last 2 days of trading did get slammed hard. We didn't get a chance to actually buy under our cost average yesterday. Why? Because we were snoozing in bed. We did miss that great buying opportunity, but as you can see here on today's trading, we did see some nice buying pressure, especially since that low yesterday of 61 cents. Since that low of yesterday, RETO has been seeing some nice buying pressure ever since then. Yesterday's aftermarket very, very slow in volume. Pre-market right away, this thing did see some buying pressure. Then it kind of came down in price, but right away at the open, we see some nice huge volume candles coming in RETO. As you can see here, the average here isn't too high, 3.32 million, with that today's volume coming in at 3.22 million. And it says Pays did good. Yes, Pays did good. We're going to talk about Pays here in a second. Muhammad, shout out to my boy Muhammad. Guys, we got 53 thumbs up and currently 63 people watching. It's right on, MEM family. We want to see if we can get 100 thumbs up during this live stream, and I know we can do it, guys. We're gonna check out Dat's chat for my boy Molotov. Shout out to Molotov. Guys, I want to see you guys in the comment section more often during our regular videos. It does help the channel grow, and that is all we ask for. So, with that being said, the next stock I want to talk to you guys about is Pays. Okay, we're going to take a quick look at Pays really quickly. As you can see here, guys, Pays from when we alerted it was $1.90 over at the Discord. If you did catch that alert, like I was telling you, it is going to go down. It can and will go down a little bit under. When I announced it, it went down towards like $1.60. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know why OBS crashed again. Are we back at it, guys? We back in the place to be, guys. Shout out to my boy Just No Bones. Been killing it. Just, I see you, man. Shout out to Just No Bones for that SDC call. Bones been ripping it. Molotov. Erica, what's going on? We back at it, guys. Everyone back in. Let me know in the comment section. We only got 45 people watching. We're getting people back in, guys. They just had to, I guess, put their load screen back. Reload it. But let's check out Pays. Like I was saying, guys, if we take a brief look at Pays date chart, as you can see here, Pays have been on a nice uptrend. We do see two cups being formed here. Ha, ha, ha. All right. We do see two cups being formed here, guys. Oh, man. All right. Two cups being formed here, and we do see more buying pressure on the large scale. On the small scale on today's trading. No movement whatsoever in the last 5 days. This can be a good thing, and it can be a bad thing. Good thing being if a large scale order decides to come into PAYS any day now, and it's in favoring the inflow, that can push the price up dramatically. But if it comes down, if it comes in outflow fashion, then this thing can actually bring the price down towards those $1.89 levels. So keep your eyes out on that buying opportunity. But far as anyone that is in this play got under that $1.90 cost average when I announced this, you do want to start taking profits, guys. Not selling your whole position, but you do want to sell parts of your position on the way up. That gives you more wiggle room just in case the price comes down. And like I tell you guys all the time, you don't want to sell your whole position and just buy back in, because that does hurt your cost average, and that's the most important thing when it comes to trading. So take that into consideration. And we do got 60 thumbs up. If you're new to the live stream, guys, this is your time to hit that thumbs up now. Obi, which stocks do you think we should be holding at the moment? All right, stocks I think you guys should be holding, honestly, blue chip stocks, guys. You want to go after these blue chips while they're hit. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla yesterday, great buying opportunity. This thing did creep under $860 for a low of $851. Huge buying opportunity. Not only is Tesla beat down right now, as you can see here, from hitting that recent peak over $1,000, coming down to $850 yesterday. Come on, man, easy money. Let's check out. Let's see another one. Blue chips. Oops. Apple, another one that has been beaten down with the descending market. If we take a brief look at all the major players, guys, Facebook, all the major tech stocks, man, all the big tech stocks, guys. If we look at Nvidia, This one as well hit heavily, guys, and we know the semiconductor and the chip sector is the future, especially with the metaverse being built as we speak now. These companies are building forward towards the future. Not only that, EV as well, but these companies are built for the future. So getting these at a discounted price due to a market drawback is easy money, especially if you are a options trader. And if that is you, you know what I mean. Microsoft dropped hard. Yes, it did. And we know Microsoft is a company with a very great outlook, guys. Microsoft is dropping hard right now. Shout out to Bones for pointing this out. As you can see here, we gotta go check out the minute. Huge drop. You're right, Bones. We do see the price coming under $270. Let's see here. Amazon is down as well. Yeah, guys, all the big tech stocks, all the big econ, all the big players, period, just took a dive after market hours. These are great buying opportunities, but like I was telling you guys yesterday, you don't want to go after the first dip you see. I know a lot of people started buying Facebook since the first peak that we had here. Started buying it from $384. But guys, when the market is coming down, you have to time it right. You don't want to be too antsy off the line, and you don't want to get greedy. So guys, you want to actually average down on a weekly basis instead of just grabbing a daily dip. All right, guys, it is much more accurate to do that. Also, you will get a better cost average by doing so. Let's check out. Let's see here. After hours right now, we do see some XELA still running, guys. As you can see here, XELA did see some nice buying pressure here on today's trading, closing 32% up. Let's look here. Nice buying pressure here in the aftermarket hours, guys. Who is in XELA? If you are in this play, let me know right now. We got over 70 people watching, guys. That is what's up. We haven't had this many people watching in quite some time. So if you are new to the live stream, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Okay, we got 75 people watching. Yes. Yes, guys. I am fired up to start back doing these live streams like we were doing in the olden days. Currently seeing nice volume here on today's trading. 178 million shares being moved around so far, with the average only 20.55 million. Huge jump. Shout out to my boy Tough. Sup, fam? DRA Asher. I'm in. Okay, you in XELA DRA? BG, XELA, okay. Guys, let me know what do you expect here on tomorrow's trade. Price action that I see here so far does look very bullish. Let me go back to this day chart. It does look like it's going to see some nice run here in aftermarket hours. Global bank partnership type. Okay, so the expands the global bank. Yeah, guys, it does look like this thing can see levels around 68 cents here, especially by the end of the trading day tomorrow. If this thing can close here tomorrow above that 68 cent, that is a huge bull flag moving forward. Like I've been telling you guys, a lot of people, a lot of retail investors are looking where can they put their money during a time like this. During a time like this, that is going to be beneficial, and it is very hard to find, because as you can see here, guys, the markets have been getting hit, trapping a lot of people money. A lot of people are selling off emotions right now, guys, selling for a loss. And like I tell you guys all the time, if you stick to a process, you will not trade off emotions. And I do have a very great process for you guys to learn, and you will get a chance to over at our Patreon. So I will be giving more information about that. Please look at RETO. Jason Moore. RETO took a huge drop here right at the close. dropping down to the 90-cent flat. Guys, RETO got hit heavy when the market drew. When we saw the market draw back, we did see a lot of these Chinese stocks draw back as well. As you can see here, RETO dropped back from $2.77 all the way down to 61 cents. Huge drawback. And like I tell you guys all the time, an early seat is an easy seat. When I first alerted RETO on this run up, guys, it was 77 cents. We did come below that cost average, but I did miss my opportunity to get a cost average, to buy some shares under my cost average at the time. So with that being said, guys, you do not want to sleep, because as you can see here, you snooze, you lose. But looking at the analysis on the order flow distribution for RETO, we did see slight buying on the large scale and nice buying on the medium and small. We do see the retail investor does have an interest in RETO at these dollar sub levels. I do, like I was telling you guys in the Discord yesterday, when RETO was under 80 cents, I was telling you guys yesterday that this is the opportunity to buy RETO, and it did present a great day trade opportunity. But I do believe that we will be passing $1.20 here within the next 2 weeks of trading in RETO. It is money to be made. Looking here at this estimated borrow fee, it is over 85%, coming in at 87.40%. Turnover rate on today's trading quite low, 11.44%, slightly over 10%, nothing to be concerned about. Huge sell-off volumes in Microsoft, Apple, Tesla in the aftermarket. Yes, guys, these big companies like this, when the market is drawing back, guys, we do see a lot of these big institutional investors, a lot of these index funds, a lot of these ETFs, basically either cutting down size, shaving their position, or just locking in gains, guys. And that is the effect of all this. The blue chip stocks really do get hit hard when we do see a market drawback like we are receiving here. Do you think SNDL will ever get above $1? Guys, that's going to be tough. I remember when Do I believe SNDL will ever get above $1? Yes, they can get above $1 if they do have a reverse stock split. I don't think this company does have a great outlook for this thing to actually start getting a lot of institutional interest to push this thing above $1, because if you look here at that high free float, guys, it is going to take huge amounts of money to come in here. As you can see here, it's currently under $1 billion. That is a very high free float, with the shares being extremely diluted. As you can see here, Dare, we want to talk about Dare. We're going to talk about Dare here as well. D-A-R-E. Dare on today's trading did see some nice buying pressure. Yesterday was an okay for Dare as well. As you can see here on today's trading, being under its average volume. Turnover rate looks magnificent in a down market. It does look magnificent, especially for this thing to be under 5%. Looking at the large scale orders on today's trading, we did receive more buying, so that is a good sign as well. Seeing more buying on the small is even more important. We see high interest from the retail investor as well as the large institutional investor. Estimated borrow fee on today's trading 5.28%, not high at all. Dare does have a lot to prove, just because we do see a spike in price on today's trading doesn't mean that this thing can't see a reversal to the downside tomorrow. So with that being said, guys, do not run off just yet. You want to see this thing actually prove itself. Missed my opportunity to buy AMC at 14.22. Do you think it will go down again to that level? I do believe that AMC will go below that level. AMC is going to see a huge turnaround once. AMC's huge turnaround is going to be done by hedge funds when they cover, and they're going to cover at a low enough cost where they can maximize their gains, maximize their return. And seeing that we didn't see that a buyback by hedge funds triggered at $14.23, we know for a fact that buyback of shares is going to be below $14.23. So yes, I do believe that we will be going under that here. And the turnaround is going to be sparked by the buying pressure created by those hedge funds. Yeah, under that 14.22, it was a low. Closed under the VWAP here in AMC, but selling pressure slightly. Only closing down 3.79%. That is I'll call this a win for AMC on today's trading. The last 3 days recovering from that day's low. 3 wins for AMC. Even though we did bottom out, we did see a huge recovery. Nice sign in knowing that AMC is just down, is just descending with the market. And like I was telling you guys, it is money to be made in AMC, and that's going to be for those who actually time it perfectly. You want to buy right before or right in the beginning when the hedge funds are returning back shares, okay? Because it's going to be a snowball effect. Just got in. Did I miss PIXY? PIXY did offer enough gains for its first trade, but guys, it isn't done running. We did see a drop here in price from peaking at the $2.30. A lot of people did sell on today's trading for their 15% gain, but seeing that $1.54, a lot of people did buy after the $1.80. $1.54 here during today's trading. Like I was telling you guys, you want to get this thing under $1.55 was the sweet spot. And today's trading hitting that $2.03. 15% that we were looking for was here. But guys, like I was telling you, it is a great chance that we will be passing that $2.03 on today's. We will be passing today's high here this week. So if you did miss your opportunity, your chance to average down is now, so you can get a easier seat to the upside. Now, the next stock I want to talk to you guys about, a lot of people, you already missed it. Let's check out CEC for BG. My bad, BG. 6.76%. Let me check out the day chart. Okay, just like yesterday, a lot of stocks did bottom out. Yesterday's was CZOO 52-week low. A lot of companies did hit their 52-week low yesterday and recovered. Now, like I was telling you guys all day yesterday, a lot of these companies that you are long in, you want to take advantage of yesterday's market. And if that was you, please let me know in the comment section below what stocks did you grab on yesterday's drop. Let me know now, guys. Let me know now. What do you think about any? We'll talk about any here. My boy Benny. We got 75 votes. 75 votes. 33% says they do not use stock twits, with 67% voting as they do. Okay. Checking out that. Hold on, I got another poll for you guys. Let's end this one. I want to start a new poll for the Making Easy Money family. Let's create a new poll, guys. Okay. I'm just doing the poll right now. All right, guys. Check out that poll. I want everyone here to participate if you can. I just want to see the Making Easy Money families. Did the poll freaking work? I think we posted it. I just want to see what you guys think about that. Answer that poll. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think the AMC short squeeze will still happen? I got some prog yesterday. Shout out to my boy Benny for grabbing that Progenity. But as you can see here, CZOO, just like a lot of stocks, did bottom out yesterday. Nice buying pressure on today's trading. Under its average, but not too far. If we take a brief look and check out that order flow distribution, we do see no movement whatsoever in the large scale orders, which can be a great thing or a bad thing. If we take a brief look and check out that small, we did see magnificent buying in comparison to the outflow, so that looks good as well, BG. Looking here at that market cap, very, very high. That's nice as well. But if we look here at the overall down descendants of this stock coming from that $10.12. Let's go back to the day chart. This has been an overall downtrend. Can this thing come down lower in price? It very well can if it follows suit with the market, if the market continues to drop. Now, a lot of these stocks that did rebound here today doesn't mean it's going to be straight for the upside from here on out. Okay, guys, a lot of these stocks is going to fizzle out. AMC, RETO, RELI, SYTA, and GME. B. Nixon grabbed the dip to count the chips. TP says, what is stock twits? Let's see what the community thinks about the poll. So far, we got 20 votes, with 45% saying yes, they believe AMC short squeeze will happen, with 55% voting no. Guys, go cast your vote now. Let us know, let me know, and let the MEM family know. What do you guys think? Do you think the AMC short squeeze will happen? You can cast your vote in the live stream box now so we can talk about it. But if we take a brief look, let's check out RELI on today's trading as well. The last couple of days been following suit with the market coming from that high of $9.89 to today's low of $5.22. Guys, you want to take advantage of these lows, but RELI looks as though that this thing can come down further in price. All right, so guys, if you are sitting on the sidelines and you want to get into this play, I would hold off for a second. To did break low finals. We did break that support level of $5.68 on today's trading. So we want to see where we can build some more of those support levels. So with that being said, keep your eyes out on this play. It does have a better buying opportunity in it. Let's check out GME. No. We ain't gonna check out GME, guys. What do people want to see? What you guys want to see me go over really quickly? Let's check out RETO once again. Let's see how RETO did. Let's check out SBEV in the aftermarket. SBEV may look like we may just crack that. Did we crack it already? Nope. Looks like that $4 mark may be cracked here in the aftermarket hours, guys. Back at the day chart, like I said, $5.12 is a huge leap, but it has to be passed for us to make our next leg up. That is a heavy wall for us. Q Williams wants to talk about SEAC. Shout out to Contacts. Shout out to Contacts. Can you look at CARP? DARA Asher. Glad to see you grinding again, Obi. Shout out my boy Mark Miles. Look at SOFI. I got you, Benny. We're going to go over all this, guys. I'm just reading down what the MEM family has to say. on the matter. Guys, we got 80 thumbs up. If you are new to the live stream, guys, leave a thumbs up on this video. It really does help the channel grow. And that's all we want here at the channel is more engagement from the Making Easy Money family, guys. We want to see you guys actually engaging with one another over in the comment section on the videos. That really does help. Get XRP instead. Shout out to Jeff Duncan. Naomi, what's going on? Currently, right now, we got 31 votes. Well, 32 now, with 53% saying they do believe that the AMC short squeeze will happen, with 47% saying no, guys. If you didn't cast your vote yet, you may do so now. But as you can see here, SBEV has the last 3 days has been outperforming the down market. We did take the dive starting 5 days ago, though, coming from that $5.20. We did see a lot of profit taking at the top. We did see a lot of profit taking the day after that. But when the market did receive some nice drawback, SBEV continued to barrel through it. So that is a very great sign, guys. We do want to see SBEV volume pick up. But seeing this thing under volume, and it did roll through today, is a very great sign. Turnover rate was close to 5%, under 10%, though. That is a very great sign, especially during a market like this. Estimated borrow fee so far for SBEV is quite high, over 100%, coming in at 103.59%. Guys, this can and will be a short squeeze topic here pretty soon. SEAC, CARP. We're going to talk about SEAC here pretty soon. CAPR, I'm looking like. All right, CAPR. Nice buying pressure day. Turnover rate over 25%. On a day like this, that it should be a little bit higher than that. Order flow distribution so far. Nice buying pressure on today's trading on the large scale. Magnificent on the small as well. This does look like we will see some nice buying pressure here throughout the aftermarket. Saying that it'll close above that VWAP for $3.45. May close above $3.50. We did see that nice above $3.50 mark here early on in the aftermarket hours. Today's low, though, under $3, man. $2.88. Hit that basically at the open. Guys, came down in price. As you can see here, VWAP kind of day. Let me go back. It was a VWAP kind of day at first, and then this thing broke out. We do see these large institutional buys going on here by smaller institutions. Shout out to, let me see what the fam talking about. Let's get APRN for my guy Jason Moore. Shout out to my boy Black Nicholson for pointing that out to me. I got you, Jason. Gotcha, Jason Moore. All right, CAPR. Aftermarket hours looks okay, but the partnership, it says CAPR. Let's check out the news. So they got a commercialization deal in the U.S. for treatment of DMD. Buying pressure that rolled in here did see its peak at fourth quarter of the trading day. Closed here pretty strong. It does show a nice sign to see a run here in the aftermarket hours. If you are in CAPR, let me know in the comment section below. All right, and shout out to my boy Jason Moore. We're going to talk about APRN. APR. Okay, average volume is 1.27 million. Today being slightly under that throughout the trading day, but the buying pressure that rolled in here, a lot of stocks did see that type of price action. We did see it bottom out midday like a lot of other stocks as well. If we take a brief look and check out the order flow distribution, we do see a nice large scale orders coming into the stock, outpacing the outflow for the last 5 days. That does look good. We do see more buying on the small scale throughout the trading day. That may be the buyback that happened from the $7.72 all the way up to the $8.27. Closed here pretty strong here after recovering from that $7.72 low. Slight buying pressure here in the aftermarket hours. This thing can take a nice boost of volume. If volume rolls into a setup like this here during tomorrow's trading, this thing can see levels around $9.80 being the floor. Keep your eyes out on APRN. That is the only thing that it is missing with the large scale orders being the way it is the last 5 days of trading. If this thing does get some backup by volume, it can run. Shout out to Anytime DRA. Asher, what you think about Microsoft? Microsoft is a easy buy. You just want to time it right, guys. You don't want to go out there grabbing the first dip you see. As you can see here, we hit that sub levels of $270 here on today's trade. Well, aftermarket hours. 276 was yesterday's low, and we broke that here in the aftermarket hours. It's just going to this is a great buying opportunity for anyone that is long in Microsoft. If you're looking for a quick trade, this isn't for you. But if you're looking to, what should I say, add a solid investment, a safe investment to your portfolio, you want to get companies like Microsoft, Facebook, Tesla, NIO, NVIDIA, AMD. But you want to time these. You want to time these. You want to time this perfectly. You want to get a nice long-term position. It's not like a trade, guys. You want to get the best cost average you can, and the market is just being affected right now in these major companies. That institutions tend to have most of their money at. They are, locking in gains. Just shaving down some of their position, and the cause of that is markets reacting the way it is now, and people that do jump in too early, their money gets tied up because the price continues to fall. Now they're either stuck with two choices: average down or sell for a loss. So during times like this, guys, you do not want to go out there and just buy any old dip. You want to make sure you buy a weekly dip. If you miss the best buying opportunity of that week, it is okay. One thing's for certain, and two things is for sure. You didn't go out and continue to try to buy a falling knife, okay? It's much more accurate to do so. We got 69 people watching right now, guys. If you are new to the live stream and you're just now clicking in, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget, do not be shy to jump in that comment section below or the live stream, guys, and engage with the Making Easy Money family. We want to see more engagement in the comment section of the videos with our community, guys, because we always talk in Discord anyway. So why not do it in the comment section? It does help the channel grow, and that is all we ask for here. If we take a look at the price action that's going on here with Microsoft, it is getting very, very exciting. Will we break the $269 low that we received here relatively quickly in the aftermarket? We shall see. Now, companies like Facebook, Amazon, Facebook, Apple, they're all under a lot of R&D right now, and especially Facebook. We know Facebook is trying to build the metaverse, so they're not going to have any stacked revenue for years to come. They're going to be actually using all their side revenue to actually get this metaverse up and running. Currently, Facebook is under $300. Nice buying opportunity, right? But if you do decide to try to snag these shares under $300, to give yourself a cushion, guys, you want to actually only use 10% of your buying power at a time like this, because who's to say by the end of next week, Facebook won't be trading around $260. You want to give yourself some room to average down so you can get the best cost average as possible. Now, let's say you only use 10% now and Facebook shoots up. Okay, that is fine, guys. It is best to be safe than sorry when you're considering an investment. Now, as far as trades go, you can take a little bit. Trades, when you're dealing with trades, you really don't have a choice. You have to get in now. It's all about, you got to get in now and get out quickly, guys. But when it comes to these type of investments, you want to actually take your time. You want to average on in. You don't want to just jump right in. Planeteer, haven't heard about that company quite some time since the IPO day, really. Shout out to my boy Visions TV. He has been around the channel for quite some time, since I really started actually doing YouTube. Honestly, shout out to you, Visions. You've been around for quite some time, bro. Just had to let everybody know that is a true OG of the channel. True OG, man. I'm out of Facebook. I'm out on Facebook. Been looking at NNDM for a long-term balance sheet. Looks really good. Yeah, it do, guys. The semiconductor field right now is being heavily hit. Not even though we do have a shortage, they have been heavily hit as well. But what also should be taken advantage of is companies like NIO. NIO is under $24 right now. NIO is seeing today's low was $23.38. We just hit a low in the aftermarket hours of $23.47. Getting back towards those lows that we received here during the trading day. That is very exciting, guys. Will NIO go sub $20 levels during this market drawback? If it does, we're going to see some institutions going heavy in a company like NIO, guys. And I will be going heavy with them. NIO shares under $20. Did we ever think we will have saw the day ever again of NIO being under $20? If you did see this coming, let me know in the comment section below. Fisker. MKD, we're gonna check all that out here. Actually, let's check out the poll. The poll is telling us 51% of everyone that is watching or that have voted thinks the AMC short squeeze will happen, but 49% is currently saying it won't, with 47 votes cast. Now, that is a nice race currently right now in NIO. We hit that 23.47, guys. Huge buying opportunity for anyone that is interested in the EV market. But like I was telling you guys, you want to use 10% of your buying power, because if this thing does go under $20 levels, you want to load the boat up even more under those levels, guys. So always give yourself some buying pressure left over. We got 91 thumbs up, guys. Let's see if we can get 100 thumbs up before we end the live stream. Let's see if we can get 100 thumbs up. We got 92. We will be getting off here in 5 minutes, guys. So if you are watching and you forgot to leave a thumbs up on this video, guys, let's get 100 in here. And I just want to say thank you for everyone that does come out and watch these live streams and continue to show the channel love and support and engages in the comment section, guys. The comments really does matter a lot with getting the channel to grow. And as you guys can see, I reply rapidly. But let's take a brief look at a quick blow by here. BBIG is seeing slight selling pressure here in the aftermarket hours. Nice solid day overall. SBEV currently evened out here in the aftermarket hours. SOPA currently seeing some slight selling pressure. Nice buying pressure we saw here to kick off for the beginning of the fourth quarter of the trading day. If we take a look at RETO at the close, we did see a nice close here in RETO, slight buying pressure here. PIXY currently slight buying pressure here in the aftermarket hours. I do still feel very confident in PIXY, guys. We're 3 thumbs up away. If you did forget to hit that thumbs up button, do it now. We're trying to get 3 more thumbs up before we shut it down at 3:45. We have 3 more minutes, guys. Let's see if the Making Easy Money family can get it done. But looking here at the estimated borrow fee for PIXY is still high. Keep your eyes out on this play. I do believe that the aftermarket prices that we see here now is a great buying opportunity to swing into tomorrow's trade. Now, the next stock I want to talk to you guys about is PAYS. Let's take a brief look at PAYS, guys. We are 2 thumbs up away from hitting that 100 likes, guys, and we have 3 minutes left. Let's see if we can get it done. As you can see here, guys, nice buying pressure midday. Huge candles coming in. That's when the volume actually picked up, and PAYS did see huge volume spike here. Volume slowed down, okay? Volume slowed down after that huge spike. So keep your eyes out on those candles because they will be expecting to leave here pretty soon. Volume that rolled in here. We're 1 thumbs up away, guys. Let's see if we can get this last thumbs up with 2 minutes to go. We are currently seeing that volume much above its average in comparison to the average. If we take a brief look and check out the analysis for the order flow distribution, we don't see any movement whatsoever. We just hit our 100 thumbs up, guys, and we did it with just a little bit over a minute left to spare. So shout out to all the Making Easy Money family members that help do it. Also, guys, I will love to see more engagement in the comment section with others, guys. You just don't have to comment to me. Just go down the line and comment to one another, guys. We are the Making Easy Money family. And what? We just dropped the thumbs up. Who took it back? Now they took 2 thumbs up back, guys. I think they're trying to mess with me. Come on, Making Easy Money family, with 1 second left. Why are you doing me like this? All right, we're back at 99, guys. You guys is just pulling my leg. But shout out to the Making Easy Money family. Shout out to everyone that continues to come out here and watch these videos. I do love and support that you guys are continuing to show. And shout out to all the in-house analysts over at the Discord, Making Easy Money Bones, Making Easy Money Wizard, Making Easy Money Plug, and all our mods, everyone that helps make everything happen behind the scenes. I just want to give a shout out to y'all. So with that being said, closing this poll with 53 votes saying AMC short squeeze will happen and 43% saying it will not. So with that being said, guys, may the games be with you, and catch you guys at tonight's rundown and expectations video.